see what is the procedure to find minors from order 3 matrix. Here you can see there are 9 elements, so I will find 9 minors from this determinant. One element comes in first row and first column, so I will skip first row and first column. So which elements are left? A22, A23, A32, A33. So put these elements within vertical lines. That are the minors for element A11. That's it. Now how can I solve it? Just multiply these two elements, A22 multiply by A33 element, then put here subtraction sign, then multiplication of these two elements, A32 multiplied by A23 element. That's it. Now comes to A12 element. Here A12 element comes in first row and second column. So I am going to skip first row and second column. Which elements are left? A21, A23, A31, A33. Now solve it. Just multiply these two elements, A21 into A33 element. Put a subtraction sign. Multiplication of these two elements, A31, A23. That's it. Now let us find minors from for A3 element. Here this element comes in first row and last column. So I am going to skip this first row and last column. Put other elements within determinant. A21, A31, A22, A32. Now do the multiplication here. A21 into A32. Subtraction sign. Multiplication of these two elements, A31, A22 element. That's it. Now comes to this element, A21. This element comes in first column and second row. So I am going to skip first column and second row. Now put other elements which are left. A33. Now just multiply these two elements, A12 into A33 element. Put here subtraction sign. A32, A13 element. Now let us find minors for this element. Here A22 element comes in second row and second column. So we are going to skip this second row and second column. See what elements are left? A11, A31, A13, A33. Now put multiplication of these elements, A11 into A31. Put here subtraction sign. A31 into A13. That's it. Now here you can see A23 element comes in second row and third column. So I am going to skip second row and third column. Here A11 element, A12 element, A31 element and A32 element. Now put here A11 into A32. Put here subtraction sign, then multiplication of A31 into A1. Now let us find minor for element A31. Here you can see A31 element comes in third row and first column. So I am going to skip third row, first column. Put other elements here. Now put multiplication of these two elements. subtraction sign, A22 element into A13 element. Now minor of 32 element. Here you can see A32 element comes in third row and second column. So I am going to skip third row, second column. So put other elements here. Third row, second. A11 into A23, put a subtraction sign. A21 into A13 element. Now let us find minor for last element, which is A33 element. Here you can see A33 element comes in third row, third column. So I am going to skip third row, third column. Then A11, A12, A21, A22 element will be written in vertical lines. Now solve it. A11 into A22 element, put a subtraction sign. Then A21 into A12. That's it.